have a quick drive to get out of this area. Slowly does it, a little bit of clutch in first gear. I'm going to go wide. Am I coming out of there? No. There we go. Let's get out of here. Is he reversing out? I'm going to carry on. There we go. There we go. Slow down there, check both ways. And there's the junction. Now we're going to go right at this roundabout. It's a spiral roundabout. Some of it's got lights on, some hasn't. So I need to get in the right lane. Oh, he's letting me out. I'm going to pull forward. Watch out for cars in the lane. Go round this truck sticking out. And get myself round here. So I'm going to do a right turn. 1, 2, 3, 4th exit. So it's not a U-turn because there's 5 exits on this one. Bring myself up to the giveaway point. Let this car get out of the way. Oh, he's coming around fast. That car was going slow then. Just wait patiently now because they're all coming round. What we don't want to do is take a risk. Is this a possible gap now? Yeah, I'm going to go. So it's the 4th exit. There's your first. Lights are on green. Keep an eye on them. At some point I get across. I'm going to go towards the middle now. That's it. That's second just passed. That's the 3rd in front of me. I'm taking the 4th after that. So I want to get across to the left side now. Check my mirror and come across. And signal left. Lights are on green. And I'm coming off here. Keep it nice and tight on the bend. And carry on going ahead here. So ahead of us we've got Spiral Roundabout, and it's got lights on it. So we're going to do a right turn, 3rd exit. So let's get in the right lane. Let's just tell that guy I want to get out and see what he does. See if he lets me out. Is he going to let me go? The second one's letting me out, so I'm going to make a little move. So thank you. 3rd exit, second. I'm going to use the right lane, sensor mirror right, signal right. Slowing down for the traffic a little bit, not rushing. And that was nice of the guy behind then let me out. I mean, it could have been selfish and thought, sod you kind of thing, but that's the right thing to do, you know, because it's not going to make a difference to him because the lights ahead are on red. And all we've got to do is wait for the lights to change. A nice little Porsche in front of us. And we're taking the 3rd exit. Now we want to come off in the left lane when we come off the roundabout. We don't want to be in the right lane because it's going to be a dual carriageway. So when we enter, we're going to be following the lines, taking the 3rd exit. So bring yourself a little bit closer. Lights are changing. 3rd exit. It's quite busy, so be careful for cars in the left lane who suddenly drift into your lane. So the white line in the middle now coming out. I'm going to go into the middle with it, so I'm just checking what's happening next to me. I'm taking the 3rd exit. There's your first, see? There's your second. And here's your 3rd. I could have stayed in the right and gone into the middle, but it's opened up for me, so that's what I want to take. And that's what I want to do. I want to do that. I don't want to kind of stick in the right lane and come off in the right lane. I want to get in the left lane to make it easy on myself. Left lane for driving, right lane for overtaking. That's what I've got to think like. And then we're going to be going ahead at the next roundabout, taking the 2nd exit. And this one's got no lights on it. Bit of a dip then, wasn't there? So I'm checking what's happening. Look, quite a bit of traffic behind me. There's 3 lanes on the approach, 3 lanes on the roundabout. So when I'm entering, looks clear, yeah, it's definitely clear. I want to get across. Looks a little bit of a choppy roundabout where it's got a few potholes. Come across to the left. That red car chanced it in. Do you see that then for the red car? It hit the gas hard and the wheels span. So they took a risk. They're obviously late to react and they hit the gas as hard as they could and their front wheels spun for a second. So don't start doing that because it'll slow you down. You want to make a bit of progress but not spin the wheels. So they're all flying past, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Right lane for overtaking, isn't it? It's a 70-mile-an-hour road. I'm doing 55. I'm just travelling along at a nice speed in the left lane. At the roundabout, we're going to do a right turn, third exit. So it's a little bit tricky, this one. A little bit of braking for the car pulled in. Check what's happening. There's a guy in the right lane who's going past. I'm going to let him get past me. There's a guy behind me pulling out, but I want to get that gap. So I'm going to check what's happening. I'm going to show a signal and I'm going to get in that right lane at this point. And I'm doing a right turn, third exit on this roundabout. Now it has got lights on it. Sometimes they work in rush hour, but because we're out rush hour, they might not be on at the moment. So we're going to give way to our right, and this lane goes right, the other lanes go ahead. So when they're not on, you move to the roundabout itself to check what's going on. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm going to enter. There's your first exit. Pop it in second, pop it in third. There's your second exit. Come into the middle, and then looking to come across, checking the mirrors to come across, to get across to the left. So I'm slowly coming across with it. And it's one of the things where you've got to not take your time on them big ones, because otherwise you're going to go really slow, people are going to go past you on the left. And then this next roundabout, another right turn on the roundabout, third exit again. So they're all tricky right turns. So I'm checking what's happening. And this one's got lights on this one. So there's a possibility I'm going to get held up on the roundabout with the lights. They've just changed. That's better for me, but beyond it, straight away, there's a red light. A third exit at one. There's your first. Lights from red, so I'm slowing down. They're changing, so I'm dropping to second. That's my second exit. See the line bringing you into the middle? Into the middle lane. It's a bit tight, but let's do it. The left lane is for the coachway, because that's where the buses are going. And there's nothing wrong with using the left lane, as long as you realise that left goes left only. Now if I'm looking ahead in there, even though the lights are on green, there's a tailback of traffic. So I'm just pulling forward a little bit. And the lights are changed, so I'm going to wait a second now. See what they was doing then while we're waiting, so we're coming off in the right lane, by the way. The traffic coming across us now were held up by their lights, which called a bit of a tailback, which kind of blocked our exit a bit. So some of the traffic changed lanes to go around them, which is fine, but it's dodgy. You've got to be careful. You've got to make sure there's no one flying around the roundabout in the left lane. So providing that I can move forward, that's what I'm going to do. If I can't, I might have to change lanes. So there we go. So I'm going to come off in the right lane. So yeah, the left lane goes to the coachway. So I'll let this guy get ahead of me because he might want to change lanes. I don't think, yeah, that's what. And, you know, you got to help each other, because the chances of him wanting to go to the coachway are quite slim, because he looks like he's a builder. It's probably in the middle of the day. He's in a rush to get where he needs to go. So you've got to be sensible. Expect people to kind of come across you when they can. So don't kind of make it hard for them. Okay. So it's a quick one. That's all it is. About doing some roundabouts, some with lights on, some not lights on. If you've enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to do some more videos on roundabouts, I'm going to put a couple below for you. Take care, everybody, and safe driving.